What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. As you can see, we're back on macOS. I perceived a MacBook and I'm either going to be using it for a little bit or I'm going to be buying it. And so I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio on your macOS operating system. This will work from macOS High Sierra on up. And Big Sur actually releases tomorrow, and you guys will be seeing a video on that. I plan on releasing a video on macOS Big Sur once it comes to, well, the public, because I can actually install it on this Mac because it's actually supported, which is really nice. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to this page here. You're going to click macOS 10.13. You're going to click it. It's going to bring you to this page here, then it's going to start downloading. I actually don't need to download it because I have a copy of it. So what you want to do is once it's done downloading, you can drag it to your desktop like that, or you can go to your downloads, which should pop up here. You can also go to the Finder, and then go to your downloads here. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your installer. You're going to double click it. It'll pop up with this. You're going to click continue. It's going to ask you for the password, which is fine. Say installing OBS. From what I saw, it's going to take like 200 and something megabytes. It might have been less. So once the installation is done, it's going to pop up with this page. You can go ahead and click close. And then your OBS is installed, theoretically. I'm actually using QuickTime Player, and if you guys would like to see a review on the software, I can, because it's actually decent software. So you can go ahead and click F4 on your keyboard or here, or you can actually just go ahead and click Launchpad here. So as you can see, I have OBS now, so we're going to go ahead and pop that right there. And then we can go ahead and open it up. You're going to have to click, it's going to ask information like this. You can just go ahead and click Open System Preferences. It might even ask to install it if it doesn't like the install. So let's go ahead and click this. You're going to have to enter your password. Click to lock to make changes. Click that. You're going to type in your password again. Click on the, well, once it pops up, and then you're good. Go ahead and leave that. I don't use the auto configuration wizard, but I can do a review on OBS on Windows and Mac if you guys would like me to. So here is OBS Studio. Check for updates automatically. That is fine. And yes, there is an update, but I'm not going to install it yet. This is just an older installer. So I was just showing you guys how to add a screen, and the reason it wasn't working is because you have to allow the use of your screen, which in older versions of Mac you didn't have to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I love how I'm getting no FPS. I actually don't plan on using OBS because see how I'm losing so much FPS? It's just the way it works. But that's how you install OBS Studio on your MacBook Pro, in theory, or MacBook Air, your iMac, your, what are those things called? Those things that sit on the Mac Mini, that would work too. But yeah, that's how you install OBS Studio. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, which I have a ton planned for the macOS operating system, I do plan on doing a video on macOS Big Sur as well. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys next video. Like the video if you did. Sorry. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out. Sorry I talk so fast.